So Shopify makes it very easy to integrate directly with Constant Contact. It was one of the reasons that we originally went with Constant Contact was because of this ability to integrate the consumer's contact information by intent. We have one segment of customers who have made at least one purchase from us, but we also have another segment of customers who have abandoned the shopping cart but have still opted in to receive our marketing communications. And in many of these cases, these are double opt-ins. So they'll receive one email confirming that they want to receive email from us. And then once they confirm that, then they'll officially be added to another list. By having all of these different segments out of customers that abandoned shopping cart or they've completed a purchase or they're potential customers, it really gives us the ability to cater to the messaging that we're sending to them. Most of these customers, we tend to message them probably, I'd say once every 3 to 4 weeks. So it's just enough to stay top of mind, but not enough to hit unsubscribe.